Hello engineers, welcome to our channel Learn with Engineers. Before starting the video, I have request you to subscribe our channel, do like, comment and share to every engineer or civil engineering students which could help to gain the knowledge about the material calculation. Let's start the video. Material calculation for M20 grade of concrete. Grade of concrete depends upon design criteria and structural element. It may be changes like M5, M7.5, M10, M15, M20, M25 and so on. In this video we have considered M20 grade of concrete. M stand for design mix, 20 stand for characteristic strength of concrete after 28 days of curing in Newton per mm square. In this video we have considered volume of concrete 1 cubic meter. For dry volume of concrete we have to add 54% extra. So why we have to add 54% extra? As we know, cement contains lumps, air voids, and there is an action of bulking of sand, and the gaps between the coarse aggregate and some wastage of material takes place. So we have to add 54% extra for dry mix. So dry volume is equals to wet volume plus 54% of extra. Dry wet volume is 1 cubic meter plus extra 54 divided by 100 is 0.54. So dry volume is 1.54 meter cube. So rest of the calculation is performed in 1.54 meter cube volume of concrete. For M20 grade of concrete, the proportion is 1:1.5:3. 1 part of cement, 1.5 part of sand and 3 part of coarse aggregate we have to take in the M20 concrete. Sum of this proportion is 5.5. 1 plus 1.5 plus 3, that is 5.5. Now we will move towards the cement calculation. In the cement calculation, quantity is equals to 1 divided by 5.5 multiplied by 1.54. What is 1? 1 is taken from mixed proportion 1 and the 5.5 is the sum of proportion 5.5. Then 1.54 is the dry volume. Then multiply these things is equals to 0.28 meter cube of cement. Now this quantity will convert in kgs because the cement available in market in kgs. For the conversion of cement in kgs, we have to multiply this quantity with the density of cement. The density of cement is 1440 kg per meter cubes. Then cement in kgs is equals to 0.28 meter cubes multiplied by 1440 kg per meter cubes, we get 403.2 kgs. Then these kgs we have to convert in number of bags. 1 bag of cement is equals to 50 kgs. So number of bag of cement is equals to 403.2 divided by 50 kg. So we get 8 bags of cement. Similarly, we have to calculate fine aggregate sand. What is fine aggregate? The particle size which is less than 4.75 mm to 0.15 mm is called fine aggregate. The quantity of fine aggregate is 1.5 divided by 5.5 multiplied by 1.54. What is 1.5? 1.5 from the mixed proportion 1.5. Then this 5.5 is from sum of proportion 5.5 multiplied by the dry volume 1.54. So we get 0.42 meter cube of sand. This quantity we will convert into brass. So 1 brass is equals to 100 cubic feet. First we convert this quantity into cubic feet. The quantity in cubic feet is equals to 0.42 multiplied by 35.31. 35.31 is the standard for converting the meter cube to cubic feet, right? So we will get 14.84 cubic feet. Then the quantity in brass is equals to 14.84 divided by 100 is equals to 0.148 brass. Similarly, we have to calculate coarse aggregate quantity. What is coarse aggregate? The particle size which is more than 4.75 mm to 80 mm is called coarse aggregate. Quantity is 3 divided by 5.5 multiplied by 1.54. We will get 0.84 meter cube of coarse aggregate. We will convert this into brass. First we have to convert into cubic feet. Quantity in cubic feet is equals to 0.84 multiplied by 35.31, that equals to 29.6 cubic feet. Quantity in brass is equals to 29.6 divided by 100 is equals to 0.296 brass. Similarly, we have to calculate water. We have considered water cement ratio as 0.55. What is water cement ratio? Water cement ratio is the weight of water to the weight of cement is equals to 0.55. We have to calculate water quantity. So water is equals to cement in kgs multiplied by 0.55. So cement in kgs, we have calculated cement earlier. So what is that? 403.2. 403.2 multiplied by 0.55. So we get 221 liters of water. The quantity what we have calculated is the example of 1 cubic meter of concrete. In our next video, we will discuss about how to calculate the quantity of each and every structural element like column, footing, beam, slab, staircase. For more informative videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to be notified first. Thank you.